depends on the spot. He went high and tried to dive over the pile. Looks like one official has it fourth down. Well, the official on our side isn't making a call. He's got his foot down.
National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern El Paso County in east central Colorado until 7:15 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Carson, or near Colorado Springs, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Colorado Springs, Fountain, Fort Carson, Stratton, Security, and Security Widefield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.